Hi, and welcome to the Samurai Monkey 42. I wanted to make this video to show you guys my Japanese pocket watch collection that you can also buy on eBay. And all these watches you see here, they're up for sale in my store, the Samurai Monkey 42. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite one, which is this one here. And the reason why it is my favorite one is because of three things. It's just a very nice chain that comes with it. It has the stamp of the officer that used to carry it. It came with this case, wool case. Also has a stamp that you can't really see there, but you could see it better up close. And the watch is not running, but this one is my favorite also because it has a picture of the officer that it belonged to during World War II. Very cool. Very thoughtful to put your picture on the back like that so everyone knew that it belonged to you. Well, you can see the inside of it. Like I said, this one it's not working, but I'm pretty sure if you take it to the shop, they can have it running back again. It is vintage. This is another pocket watch I have. One great piece, and you can see I haven't really translated this. If you have any comments on it, just comment me down below. The serial number for this watch is 5888. Also not running, but I do want to take them and have them tune up and repair one of these days. This one runs, but you can see it started running, but it stops. Back. This is my my second favorite one because I think it belonged to a Navy officer. I don't know if you can see the small anchor there, which indicates, and it comes with this black leather chain. This one also runs, goes back to 0, but right about there it stops. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Once again, you can find this pocket watches on my eBay store, the Samurai Monkey 42. I hope you guys like this video. Have a good night.